Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, December 7th. Today was actually quite a fascinating day. So we've been talking over the last couple of days about rotations of money, the FANG index going up, going down, the Dow a bit on the red side, red across the board a couple days in a row. Is this the end of the rally? Is this rotational? Is this pause? Is this fatigue? Is this anxiety? Is this profit taking? Is this people taking money off the table? And which way is the market going to go coming into the end of the month? We've got interest rate FOMC meeting coming up next week, option expiration, S&P rebalance, FTSE rebalance, Russell rebalance, funds closing out their year, a lot going on. A lot of news. It's been governing the market in a big, big way. Stuff coming out of Washington, out of Russia, out of Jerusalem, out of sexual harassment, out of everything. So there have been a lot of reasons for a lot of stuff, with midday headlines about Flynn, midday headlines about other stuff, tax reform on the table. So it's a gemischta salad here. We've got so much going on. Up until a couple of days ago, the market forged on no matter what those headlines were. Some midday sell-offs that were emotional, rally back on close every day. The last couple of days, we've had rallies in the morning and sell-offs in the afternoon, with big sell imbalances coming in on the close. Stocks were not flipping. Things were definitely careening off a hill and closing down from their highs of the day, as opposed to what's been the norm for the last 9 months, was closing off the lows at a high of the day, right? Bottom left to upper right for 9 months, 10 months, 12 months. Last couple of days, we've been seeing upper left closing at the bottom right. A little bit of an anomaly, a little bit of a paradox. So the question was, how do we analyze that situation, and was it going to continue? If anybody thought that we were in that state, we were wrong. This morning, so is there sort of a pause in the news, and everything's getting a little bit stale. Tax reform's a little stale. FOMC seems a little stale. A lot of the headlines around the world seem a little stale. Clearly what's going on in Washington seems stale. And so there's nothing fresh, red, hot, and burning in the marketplace of the news, of social media, and all that, okay, to basically have some effect on the market. There are some fundamental things, whether it's tax reform, whether it's FOMC and whatnot, but those seem stale in the marketplace that are going to affect it in a big emotional sell-buy way. So what's interesting, though, is it is a Thursday. Is it a Thursday? It's a Thursday, right sort of on the middle end of December. We've been going up, 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 couple day pause, couple day sell-off, and boom, the market continues to rise. Up 70 points, green across the board. Russell's rebounding completely off yesterday, the last couple of days sell-off. The S&P up 8, definitely rebounding off of that. Oil on its way back up. Transport's up $1.50. Market's green, 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 green across the board. Volume reasonable at 825. A lot of the real estate index utilities were up. Okay, Nikkei was up. Dollar was up. Oil up. Gold down. S&P, Russell, and Dow were all up across the board, and the FANG itself up 15 points. So technology's rebounding, the Dow's rebounding, oil's rebounding. Bitcoin, which I'm not going to speak about because forget about it. I don't even think it's real. So when we didn't coast downhill too long, we didn't sell off for too long, we're back in the game, we're bouncing back. Tomorrow's a Friday. Second Friday, I don't even know. Maybe it's the first Friday in December. December is hot. Market is hot. NYSE Einstein is hot. And we're kicking some butt. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Stick in the green. Stick with me. Stick with the NYSE. Dow Jones Industrial Average. Yada yada.